Beautiful pontoon over here. I mean, I guess when it comes to prep on pontoons, they can get as crazy as they want. I mean, it seems like you're polishing this up really nice and shiny over here.
We are doing this as shiny gets. We have one more step to do, and this will look like your bedroom mirror.
Right. So what would happen normally if I take that bedroom mirror and I just dumped it into my lake? After how long would it no longer look like?
Very, very soon. It will be green, brown, and yellow, right. And you're going to need a lot of acid in order to get it off, but then you're still left with stained aluminum.
Great. So instead of that, we've got Hull Pro.
We have Hull
Pro.
So
first of all, when we're going to polish a pontoon to this high polish, again, the key here is going to be the prep to make sure that any of those polishes, waxes, greases are off of the substrate, off of the aluminum. So we want to make sure that we're going to degrease it really well. And then instead of just using acetone, because it's metal, we like using xylene. It's a little bit stronger. Make sure that there's nothing really that's left over there. We give it 2 wipes with the xylene, and then we're going to, again, roll and tip as usual. Well, once the product is applied, I mean, you have a beautiful looking pontoon all season long.
For a very long time. And the coolest part about Hull Pro is that it's not black. And you don't have this ugly, non-level water line. And we're applying the whole log, which means the whole log is getting fully protected from oxidation, pitting, and staining.
Basically, the product is not going to delaminate from the pontoon. First of all, we know that we're going to see the performance numbers. Aluminum being a porous metal will definitely be closing up all those pores. So we're going to be getting that performance much better. Now, once we have that performance and we have this beautiful look, we're going to continue to keep that beautiful look, which is going to probably enhance or definitely enhance our resale value.
100%.
Correct? So someone's going to pull out a beautiful, shiny pontoon like such, and to go and sell it, you're going to be definitely getting more on the resale value. What we've seen actually when it came to Freedom Boat Club in our beginning tests, they're getting 10 or 12% more resale value, or the pontoons that were coated with Hull Pro as opposed to those that were not coated with Hull Pro.
And they sell faster.
Sell faster.